Okay guys, so this is the finished look or whatever. So now I'm going to talk about this wig. So this wig is from Asteria Hair. So I worked with this company multiple times, a lot back in 2018, 19, and then last year, and I can't remember, I believe I did this year. And they always have like super pretty nice wigs, no issues, any texture or any wig or hair type. I believe I've had bundles and a frontal closure, and I've had wigs from them. So this, you guys, I'm obsessed. Like the hair, this looks like it's mine. Like that's probably what I love the most. It looks super natural. And what I love the most is that I barely have any leave out. So it's great if you aren't really big on having a lot of leave out, or you just want something a little bit more natural looking, because it's giving what it needs to give, and I'm really loving it. So first things first, before we hop into anything else, let's get into packaging. Got a little dented. It can happen when, you know, you have things coming from China and just another country. Some things get handled crazy. So inside is the packaging. They always have really nice packaging, you guys. There was also 2 really big scarves in there, so thank you guys. They give me a head wrap. It says Asteria Hair. Edge brush, you always need those. And then these chocolate brown wig caps. And then also a, you know, like carrier bag for the wig. And then there's kind of like a tag. It's just talking about essential care and just some information and a couple of social links. So thank you guys for the goodies. A Brazilian human hair wig. So it is available in 12 through 26 inches. I am rocking 22, which is more of like 24 on me. So yeah, pretty long. There is 180 and 250 density. So I have the 180. So I'm gonna do a little to just show y'all what your girl's working with or whatever. So yeah, like I said, this is pretty affordable in my opinion. These wigs can last for years, like years, y'all. Like, so I have no issue with Upart wigs. They're actually pretty genius, and I love that you can either decide if you want a side part or a middle part. I just went with the middle part, and of course I did a little bit of baby hair, so no issues at all. No shedding, no tangling. So the texture, for those who don't know, is like it's kind of how braiding hair feels, just a little bit, but not exactly that nappy type of texture, but it's very soft. As y'all can see, very soft. It has that super natural look that I love personally. And I'm sure you can curl it. So imagine this curled. It'd probably look really cute as well. With your leave out, just curl with it, baby girl. You could be like, oh, this is my hair. What are you talking about? It looks like a nice, like you went to the shop, like you went to the salon when you were in high school or something and got your hair pressed out. That's what it's giving, natural pressed out vibes. Nice texture. So everything about this wig is great. So shipping, you guys, was via DHL, I believe, and it took about 2 days. Didn't take long at all. Shipping didn't take long at all, so I love that. But I'm not gonna prolong this, y'all. I just wanted to get on here and talk a little bit. Y'all know me, gotta talk about the wig first things first, okay? But thank you to Asteria Hair for this gorgeous wig. I have nothing negative to say, like I said. And then it's been 80 something, almost 90 degrees here, and I'm perfectly fine. Like, I'm not overheating or anything. It's very flowy and it goes with the wind. So this is the perfect wig if you're looking for something, you know, mimicking natural pressed hair. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I love you guys so much. Shout out to Asteria Hair for sending me this unit, and I will see y'all in the next video. Do it on camera. So you want to have your hair like this, and these combs inside, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and the adjustable straps, make it tight as you need. And you're literally gonna just comb, snap. You're gonna snap, because they snap. So unsnap all of them right now. Let's do it together. If you guys have this wig, or even just any Upart wig. I know it's weird when you like first get things going. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pop it in like this, and you're gonna basically put the combs everywhere the hair is, and snap, and then snap. So you do that all the way around. Snap, all the way around. Snap, and on the back. Snap, and it's not going anywhere. So it's a nice thick yaki texture. Hold on. So okay, so now we got it in. We're gonna, didn't turn my flat iron on, so I'm gonna turn this on firstly, and while that's heating up, I'm just gonna show you guys all the hair that I have out. It actually isn't a lot of hair. So now I already wore this, so my part and stuff is kind of ready. Any wigs. So we got a little swoop right there, and we got one more like right here. Just like that. And like this. Oops. Oh, that looks bad. And that's that. Now I'm just gonna get my brush over there and brush the top and stuff, and then I'll come back, talk about it, and all that good stuff.